Hi everybody, I'm Flynn. I'm Senior Market Analyst at the Price Futures Group as well as a Fox Business Network contributor. Sometimes when it comes to the market, it's a matter of trust. That's right, a matter of trust. Had a very interesting conversation with the gentleman. We were talking about the growing gap between the rich and the poor. The rich keep getting richer and the poor keep getting poorer. And one of my arguments to end that gap wasn't to tax the rich more, it was to try to empower the poor by getting them into the stock market. He looks at me and says it'll never work. And I go, why won't it work? If we put the poor people, put some money in the market for them in a very low risk S&P 500 fund, sort of like a 401k kind of a situation, the poor could be lifted out of poverty. And after generations and generations, they would actually accumulate wealth and they'd really have a part in the US economy. He came back to me and says, it won't work because people don't trust the market. And that is true. I think there's a lot of people in the world that don't trust the market because here in America, we don't educate people about the market. We don't educate them about stocks. But if you learned about the stock market and overall, you would realize that one of the biggest differences between the rich and the poor is that the rich probably have stocks and the poor do not. That doesn't mean you should just jump in the market and start buying stocks. No, a very, very low risk portfolio, diversified portfolio, like a 401k situation. And for people that can't afford to get in the market, you know, maybe at some point in the future, the government can actually lift some out of poverty by setting some of their aside. That way, they'll get a piece of the American dream, and that will, in my mind, over generations, really bring down the gap between the rich and the poor. If the poor have a stake in the market, they're going to hold the rich accountable, and the best way to do that is when you own a piece of them. And that's your trader tip for today.
Check out businessfirstam.com to find out where to see our entire show. And don't forget to like, follow, and share Business First AM.